Damn, man, I'm bored as fuck, man. Why don't you hit up mom and them?
I'm already calling them, man.
You have reached the Sprint voicemail box of...
Damn, they ain't even answer, man.
And I remember this one time. Once upon a time, I was chillin' with mom and them. We was smoking good weed and drinking tons with mom and them. You know we don't give no fuck, we turned up with mom and them. And if you wanna talk shit, I'll send mom and them. You know Yelly got the exclusive access, breaking rules, and Rebel ENT is always on the news and on the move. Mom and them was cracking jokes, she was off a little coke. She was fucking everybody just so she didn't go broke. We didn't mind, we turned up, popping bottles all night. Mom and them talking shit, looks like they about to fight. Oh shit, here come the 12, mom and them dip out of sight. And we meet back at the crib just to have a good night. I gave mom and them a job and I put them on loan. It was a good night, that's why I made this fucking song. Me and Yelly fucked up, we left cause things went wrong. And the worst part is, mom and them come right along.
I be selling good weed to your mama now. And I got this cup of lean from your mama now. On the corner selling dreams with your mama now. And they crazy bitches, you don't want no drama with them. Smoking on bud, I be higher than the mug. Smoking perk blunts with your mama now. I be turned up with your mama now. And my niggas got that bag, you know they shopping with us.
Exclusive access that you just forgot about us. And they got dough, we'll make them blow it on us. Rebel Entertainment's the move, exclusive access the truth. And every single time you call me, I'm always in the booth. But if you with mom and them, I set down my pen. I give Yelly a call and then we gon' get it in.
We took a couple shots on the block with mama and them. Threw some rocks at the cops with mama and them. And PDK to the ops, I ain't opping with them. If you're popping up, better hope you brought your mama with you. Them the only ones that we trust is mama and them. And me riding deep up in that truck with mama and them.